welcome back to our channel. This is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review this Lamy Studio model Imperial Blue fountain pen, and this is a medium nib. In this video we are going to see construction of the pen, the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to a video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Now we'll look at this pen. First, this pen Lamy, all brands are made in Germany. They are mentioned in all the boxes you can see. And with this pen, we'll keep this aside. There is a warranty card, okay? It's like a 2 years warranty card. And there is a Lamy cartridge over here. And there is a converter. This type of ink system is a very versatile ink system because we can easily refill and re-out the ink. We can use different color inks. Now we'll keep this box aside and I am eagerly waiting to see this model actually. This overall body is made up of matte lacquer finish metal body, and this color is Imperial Blue, that is dark blue. And there is a clip here. You can see here, and this clip is a chrome trim clip, and they have mentioned Lamy logo over here. It's very simple and it's unique. It's in a white color. Okay, on the top they have gave this a chrome finish. It's very round. It's a round finial, and at the bottom same round finial, and at the bottom it's round finial. The overall pen is very smooth, but this is not glossy, it's a matte finish. Now we'll look into this pen. Okay, this is a snap-on cap pen. Wow. We'll see the grip section now. Okay, they gave a bigger grip section. You can see here. For all hand users can use this grip section, but I feel it's a little bit slippery. Okay, and this nib is a medium nib. This is SSF silver surface finish, and they have mentioned Lamy brand name in this nib. And there is a breather hole here, and this nib is stainless steel. And we have a plain feed over here, and this is made up of plastic. As we already saw, what type of ink system is this? So it's a cartridge type, that is 2-in-1. One is cartridge type, another one is converter type. Now we'll write and see once whether it's writing smooth or rough. We'll see now. Now we are going to see the writing sample of this Lamy Studio model pen. So that we are going to use our manufacturing ink, that is penhouse.in is manufacturing different colors of ink bottles. If you want that type of inks, link in the description, you can contact us. Okay, now we are going to use this violet vibrant color ink. Just we are going to dip in the pen and we are going to rub in a cloth. We'll start writing. Okay, this is nice. Okay, now I can feel this roughness. It's little bit rough. Okay, we'll do the horizontal and vertical line. Okay, while doing horizontal line, I can feel the roughness. Okay, this is a medium nib. Okay, we saw the writing sample. It's very smooth. Though it's a medium nib, it's very comfortable to write, but it's little bit slippery. I can feel that slippery thing over there. Other than that, it's a cool model actually. Now we have different pairings of this Lamy model. We'll explore one by one. Okay, this is Lamy crystalline and this is a pink color. Okay, we'll see this color. Wow, see the box, it's very safe. Okay, and here is the ink. Wow, just look at the color, it's just awesome. You can see here, and it's come in a proper wrap, and here is the box. It's very comfortable, and this is 30 ml ink bottle. We'll keep here. And another color is green. We have more different colors. this maroon color, and here we have a last one color, and this is a crystal ink. For sample we have this 4 color, but more different colors we have. If you want to purchase these types of spare in Lamy brand or any other particular brand, you can visit our shop directly. It's in Tambaram and Velacheri, or you can purchase through online, link in the description. Now we are going to check the overall length of this pen. Okay, it's 138.68 mm, 127.66 mm, and now we'll check the diameter of this pen. It's 10.55. Now we are going to check the overall weight of this Lamy Studio model fountain pen, and this is 31 gram. Now we are going to remove the cap and we are going to check the weight. Okay, it's 31 gram. Almost this cap carries 10 gram, and we didn't insert any cartridge or converter in this pen. It maybe carries 2 to 3 gram. Okay, now we'll move on to the video. Who all can use this pen? You have a doubt, right? This is a medium nib, so adults can use this nib. If you want your children to use extra fine and fine nibs also available in penhouse.in. We came to an end of session. So we have experienced overall construction, and this writing experience is just awesome. A little bit slipperiness we can feel. Other than that, it's a very cool model pen. We have 2 different colors over here. One is this color, another one is this black color. And if you want the spare ink for this Lamy brand or cartridge or any other thing, the spare penhouse.in, we are having all the things. So you can contact us, link in the description. Whether you want to come directly to our shop, it's in Tambaram and Velacheri, you can directly visit our shop. We'll come with a new video and new collection of pen. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Tata, bye bye.